Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the eye mechanism and removing hair to expose the head seam. Use a small Phillips or flat pick to loosen the elastic retainer. Once done, gently remove the head cap by prying at the seam from the forehead toward the neck. Keep parts organized in a tray so you don't lose tiny screws or eye pads. You'll need steady hands. Take breaks if your fingers cramp. Make sure the doll is face up on a soft cloth to protect the face paint. Once the head is open, identify the eye cup orientation and any clips or springs holding the mechanism. You remove eyes by pressing the spring tabs gently inward and lifting the eye straight out. This prevents stress on the plastic. For replacements, align each pupil to match the other eye, then snap the eye cup back into its seat until you hear a subtle click. Once both eyes sit flush, move the lids to confirm proper movement. This ensures nothing binds when the head is closed again. You finish by carefully reseating the inner cap and closing the head seam. Reinstall screws just until snug so you don't crack the vinyl. Once reassembled, test the sleep eye action repeatedly. If the eye sticks, open and realign the spring or apply a tiny dab of silicone lubricant to the track, not on the eye surface. If pupils look off-center, reopen and nudge the cups into position. Remember, if paint chips or cracks appear, stop and consider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.